Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create equalizer preset for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. You have to start by open TOZO application, and then you can click on your current preset here, or you can go to more sound effects at the same menu. And right here you need to select some preset. So you can use a standard one by default, or you can use, let's say, bass boost. And now we need to modify this preset. So I want to change this one. And then we need to click at the diskette icon to save this preset. Now give it a name, let's call it test, then save. And right here we just add this preset. And you can do it with every preset what you have here. Also, we can go to Equalizer Zone, and right here we have presets what created by users. So right here you also can find some preset. You can scroll down and find, let's say, right here we have bass effect. Tap at this preset, then click try out. And then, if we return to the equalizer menu, you need to modify it just a bit, or just tap at the one of these dots, and then also you can save this preset. So let's call it test 2. And as you can see, now we have both of these presets. We can also delete them by click at the trash icon and delete. Or we can share this preset, so we need to select it, and right here we have a share icon at the right top, so you click on it and then you share. So let's say you want to share to Equalizer Zone, so you click on it, you give a name and description and click share. Or you can share it with your friends by just click at this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!